Hello, my name is Cesar Rojas and I'll be presenting this installation and maintenance video. I'd like to show you where you can find our source files in the VIP website source code. You click on web app, then features, and the patent to reach the patent feature. And patent CSS and patent JS are files that are used across all the modules. Patent JS has our helper class, which exposes testable functionality across the other modules, like patent search and success stories both make API calls to USTPO. This is the module file. This is what gets registered with the VIP site to identify the routes and the mappings to the views and controllers. Patent business search controller. This is one of the controllers. What this controller mainly does is handle the configuration of a data tables instance so that you can easily swap out repositories and the data that they show. Right now it's only showing Yelp. I'd like to show you the QUnit test now. You can right click the unit test.html and reveal an explorer, and then you can open up a browser by double clicking the HTML to show all the tests. You should add more unit tests to the unit test.js file before you check in to make sure that your code is safe to check in. Now I'm going to also show you the Selenium testing, which you can open using Eclipse.
I've conducted the Selenium test over all the parts of the landing page. Basically, Selenium test is an automated test which is used to uh, test all the features or the components of the specific page. For that purpose, I have used Java language. So we'll just run the script. I'll just show you the pattern search uh, test part. We'll run this. This testing is conducted on Chrome. So here's the Chrome browser. As you can see, it goes to the patents and licensing tab automatically. You can see here. Then it goes to patent search. Searches for Professor Sazdadi's um, patent. Here you go. There are the patents. Now let's view it. There you go. Those are the details, and then it closes off. So that's the work that I have done over this semester. For more inquiries, you can take my email. That's so I can spell it mmhap001@redf5.edu. So thank you for watching this video.
Hello, my name is Emmanuel Niwama, and I will be presenting the installation and maintenance guide for the patent search engine. To work on this feature, developers will perform the bulk of their work in three files: patents.js, patentsearchcontroller.js, and patentsearch.html. Within the patents.js file, functions used to convert user input into valid API requests can be found. It also contains the keys needed to generate OAuth 2.0 tokens for the API that queries the European Patent Office. These functions are used within the patentsearchcontroller.js file, where the data returned from each API is processed to display within an AngularJS data table. The search results are displayed within the patentsearch.html file that provides the user interface for the search engine. To provide maintenance for the patent search engine, developers need to monitor the following three APIs for updates: Patents View, Bulk Data Search and Download, and the Open Patent Services API. The Patents View and Bulk Data Search and Download APIs only require the generation of a valid query URL. However, the Open Patent Services API requires the creation of a developer account and the registration of an application. The documentation for each API can be accessed from the provided links. Through the documentation, developers can learn how to write and test their queries. This is the end of this segment. Thank you for your time.
Hello, this is Cesar Rojas again. I will be showing you how to manage the JavaScript libraries. The JavaScript library package versions are listed in the bar.json. They are revolved around Angular 1.5.11. Some packages are not, things like Rangy and Sweet Alert and Bootstrap. Those are independent, but things like Angular data tables and the data tables versions, those might break if you don't update them as well on any future attempts to migrate to Angular 1.7. Let me now show you where these are linked to the website. In the gulp file here we added all these packages that we added, with the ones we need. If you need a data tables module and it's not here, you can go ahead and add it, or if you introduce a new technology like underscore JS, you can add it here too. These are the CSS files that we use, patents.css and the data. Just one more thing, YouTube Senior Projects account, the Google account that you use to sign in to upload YouTube videos. Please get that from your instructor. We used it to sign up for the Yelp developer site, the EPO developer site, and we used the Google Drive. We have a couple forms there that we use, as well as a spreadsheet for success stories.